Hi everyone, we got this new glitters from Toy and we made a couple of things with it and it's really nice and fun. So you basically put a paper over here and you can actually swirl it. Okay, this looks a little dirty. We got this new toy. It's a glitter toy. It came with a lot of colors.
But it's not glittering right now.
We're just using a few of them right now. So what you can do is put some glitter and start rotating and make some interesting patterns.